We all have basic needs. As humans, our basic needs are things like food, water, and shelter. But when it comes to your heat transfer business, a reliable and durable heat press is one of those basic needs. And that's where the MPress comes in, built to fulfill the fundamentals of the heat transferring process. High pressure, high temperature, and the ability to apply both for a fixed amount of time are the essential elements for a successful heat transfer application. By taking one look at the MPress, it's clear that it's built for durability. And it's this durability, along with its consistency, that makes it perfect for any beginner or startup business. Let's get into the details of this workhorse. The digital computer gauge makes it easy to set accurate time and temperature. And the keyword is accurate. There are other heat presses that can match the MPress in affordability, but few can match it in its time and temperature accuracy. Next, let's take a look at the build. The strong handle design allows for easy and sturdy operations. When pressed down, it provides industrial strength and pressure evenly onto the surface of your material. And speaking of pressure, the pressure adjustment knob at the top of the MPress's body is smooth and easy to adjust. The MPress heat press machines follow the industry standard sizes of 15 by 15, 16 by 20, and 16 by 24 inches. There is so much the MPress can add to your business just by taking it out of the box. You'll immediately be able to start working with some of the most popular heat transfer materials in the industry, such as heat transfer vinyl, heat transfer paper, screen printed transfers, direct-to-garment transfers, and sublimation. The MPress heat press machine is the perfect starting point for any beginner or startup business. Make sure you're not left without one of your basic heat press needs and order your MPress today